On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram sign up problem. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings page, go to the apps right here, and then go to the apps manager, go to Instagram. Now this is the app informations page. All what you have to do here is very simple. Click on the storage, click here on this clear cache, and then go back, click on force stop, and go back again to storage, click on clear data this time. And now all what you have to do is go to Play Store and search for Instagram like this, and click here on this update option if you have it. And yeah, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.